Have you ever wondered what that white belt around a kimono is? It's called an obi, and it's not just decorative. Different types of obi can change the level of formality of a kimono outfit. Today, let's look at 3 common types of obi and see how they work together with kimono. Hello, it's Agemarko. Welcome to Happy Kimono Life. This channel is about enjoying kimono in a simple, pleasure-free way. It is not about rules or perfection. It is about choosing what feels right for you and trusting that choice. Let's enjoy kimono our way. Many people think that the formality of an outfit comes from the kimono alone, but that's not quite true. The obi matters too. In kimono, the overall formality of an outfit comes from both the kimono and the obi. That's why choosing an obi can change the level of formality of the entire outfit. So, before we look at some examples, let's learn about 3 common types of obi. First, let's look at the Fukuro Obi. This is one of the most formal types of obi. A Fukuro Obi is longer than many other obi. When it is tied, part of the obi overlaps at the back. In Japan, this double layer is often associated with happiness and celebration. Because of this, the Fukuro Obi is often worn for weddings and other special occasions. Many Fukuro Obi also feature beautiful patterns with gold-silver threads. These details help create a formal and elegant look. Next is the Nagoya Obi. A Nagoya Obi is shorter than a Fukuro Obi. Because of this, it creates a single layer at the back instead of a double layer. It is said that the Nagoya Obi was created to be easier to wear. Today, it is one of the most common obi types. In general, a Nagoya Obi is considered less formal than a Fukuro Obi. However, the type of obi is only one part of the picture. The fabric, the pattern, and the design also affect formality. Some Nagoya Obi can still look quite elegant and dressy. Finally, let's look at the Hanhaba Obi. The word Hanhaba means half width. Unlike a Nagoya Obi or a Fukuro Obi, a Hanhaba Obi keeps the same half width shape from beginning to end. That is why it is called half width. There are many different ways to tie a Hanhaba Obi. This flexibility is one reason it is often associated with casual kimono style. In general, a Hanhaba Obi is considered more casual than a Nagoya Obi or a Fukuro Obi. It is a popular choice for casual kimono and yukata. Now, let's see how this works in real outfit. First, let's look at a homongi, a formal type of kimono. Here is the same kimono with 2 different obi. With a Fukuro Obi, the outfit has a higher level of formality. It is a common choice for celebrations and special occasions. Now, let's change to a Nagoya Obi. The outfits still look elegant. The 2 outfits may look very similar. However, the overall formality is slightly lower. One reason is that a Fukuro Obi creates a double layer at the back, while a Nagoya Obi creates a single layer. The kimono is the same, but the obi changed the balance. Next, let's look at a common, a casual type of kimono. Here, we have the same kimono with a Nagoya Obi. It looks neat and put together. Now, let's change to a Hanhaba Obi. This creates a more casual feeling. The kimono is still the same, but the overall formality becomes lower. As you can see, the obi plays an important role in the overall formality of a kimono outfit. But choosing an obi is not only about the obi itself. A kimono does not decide the formality alone. An obi does not decide the formality alone. The two work together. If you'd like to learn more about kimono formality, I have another video that explains different types of kimono and their levels of formality. When the kimono and obi are well matched, the whole outfit feels balanced. For me, one of the joys of kimono is exploring different combinations. Matching a kimono and obi for the occasion can be part of the fun. There isn't always just one correct answer. Different combinations can work in different situations. Thank you for watching Happy Kimono Life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you more examples of how changing the obi can affect the overall look. You might be surprised by how much an obi can influence the feelings of an outfit. Let's keep smiling and enjoying life with kimono. And before we go, here's today's kimono outfit. Today, I choose a light and airy common with a Nagoya Obi. I'm going to see one of my favorite artists live today. I can't wait! I choose this obi for a special reason. The diamond pattern reminds me of one of the costumes from the show. I love finding little ways to connect my kimono with the things I enjoy. I'll be cheering with my pen light and having a lot of fun. See you in the next happy kimono moment.